Folks, this is Nathan Paulson from Paulson Wealth Management with an educational economic update for January 2016. In this video, we'll talk about some of the economic headlines that influenced markets last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for investors. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. The final weeks of 2015 were very volatile for markets. Investors grappled with a Federal Reserve rate hike as well as a global growth picture that has become cloudy. Let's take a look at some of the month's events. The Federal Reserve finally pulled the trigger on higher interest rates in mid-December, voting to raise interest rates above zero for the first time since 2006. As expected, the Fed raised rates just a fraction of a percent. The increase in rates is a vote of confidence in the economy, and Fed policymakers have stressed that they intend to move carefully in the future. Higher rates will have a ripple effect across the economy and translate into higher mortgage and auto loan rates. How will that affect the economy next year? It's too soon to know. But keep in mind that housing activity and consumer spending patterns were boosted more by a strong labor market than low interest rates. We hope that strength in hiring and consumer spending will continue to drive the economy forward. We also got our final look at third quarter economic growth last month and learned that the economy grew 2%, a smidge lower than the 2.1% growth reported in the second quarter. As predicted, global headwinds dragged on the economy, but on the positive side, the growth that we experienced was largely driven by American consumption. Whatever is happening in the rest of the world, domestic demand is still strong, and we hope that a stronger labor market, rising income, and higher consumer optimism translated into solid economic growth in the fourth quarter. With 2015 behind us, we're now turning our attention to fourth quarter and end-of-year results to see how the economy performed in the final weeks of the year. Stay tuned for next month's video update where we'll have the annual data to discuss. That's it for the educational economic update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call. Once again, this is Nathan Paulson with Paulson Wealth Management, signing off for the month of January 2016. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 630-517-2950. We'd be happy to talk to you.